Thinking about starting your own business? One of the smartest moves you can make is forming an LLC, a limited liability company. It's simple, powerful, and protects your personal assets while giving your business credibility. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll want to choose your business name, make it unique and professional, and don't forget to include LLC at the end to meet legal requirements. A quick check in your state's database will ensure that your chosen name isn't already taken. Next, select your state. Most people register in their home state, but remember that each state has its own rules and fees, so it's important to check your local requirements. Now, let's talk about appointing a registered agent. This person or company will receive legal documents on your behalf. While you can be your own agent, many choose professional services for added privacy and convenience. The next step is to file your articles of organization. This is the official paperwork needed to form your LLC, and you'll submit it to your state's business filing agency, usually online. Creating an operating agreement is step 5. While it's not always required, it's highly recommended. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, detailing ownership, responsibilities, and decision-making processes. Step 6 involves obtaining an EIN, or employer identification number, which you can get for free from the IRS. You'll need this number to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Finally, staying compliant is crucial. Make sure to file annual reports and pay any required fees, and keep your business licenses and permits up to date. So, why choose an LLC? It protects your personal assets, offers flexible tax options, and builds trust with clients and partners. If you need help starting your LLC or filing taxes, don't hesitate to contact Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services at 305-469-1209 or visit us at mannoetax.com. We're here to empower your journey from formation to financial success. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on business, branding, and financial literacy. Like, comment, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.